right, with data and making solid plays with conviction of data, right?
Yep. Absolutely.
Yeah, we don't just follow alerts. So those are kind of habits that I think like even beginner traders, I know I did that and that cost me a lot of money. So things like that we kind of teach you in terms of being like, again, operationally sound. You kind of learn it from the experienced traders and the mods in this Discord. So that's our 10. So I wanted to open it up. Tesla and I wanted to open it up to the group and see if you guys have any questions. Kind of went through that really quickly. Feel free. This is a safe environment to ask anything, make comments. Feel free. Okay. No questions?
Hold up. I'm not sure.
Huh?
I'm not sure anybody can talk. Hold on a second.
Oh, wait.
Hey, Emily, can you unmute? Can you unmute yourself and speak?
Yeah. Hey, guys. This was
Okay,
awesome.
so can anybody else talk? Yeah, I didn't think so.
I had to be invited.
Okay, let me just, if you guys want to talk, ask for an invite for speaker.
Yeah, and we'll just...
Work with us. This is our first Twitter chat.
I'm here too, but I'm talking on Emily's phone. So
hey, Justin.
This is Corey.
Hey, Justin. Emily, you guys got any comments or questions? I mean, anybody can. I'll pay attention to the chat to see if we can add anybody else. But
I did a great job.
I really appreciated Tesla's advice the other day about and today about buying in the money and buying 2 weeks out, or at least farther out, so you have some room, especially for a newbie. So I employed that and was able to take a quick play on Palantir, and that helped give me some confidence. So I really appreciate that advice, and
I call that home field advantage on time decay.
Yeah.
So the big reason for that is your contracts, your premiums don't get eaten up literally by the day, by the minute. You're in the money, so it affects it, but not as much. And remember we talked about the Greeks? That goes back to the Greeks. That goes back to Theta and Vega.
Yeah, I've been studying on some of those. Found a book on Kindle that I downloaded. So hoping to get in, dive into that, learn more about it.
What book is it?
You're gonna ask me. Hold on.
If not,
let me look it up.
No pressure.
It's a set of 4 books. Let me get to my library here.
No worries. Tesla, do you have any good books that you want to recommend to the group that maybe worked for you? Or Trading the Zone is a good one.
Maybe
I've heard of that one.
On my Kindle. Hold
on. Yeah. Trading
Atomic Habits. Acid love that one. Atomic Habits.
There's one that's called Trading Stocks for Dummies, and it's actually really good.
Oh, I think I've got it on Audible. Sorry. Options Trading the Bible by Carl J. Merrill.
Okay, we'll have to write that one down.
It's a 4-in-1 book. I could start it right now. I'm kidding.
Do we have a few more hours? We could just.
It's 20 hours long. Anyways, I'll be a genius by the time I'm done listening to it.
Becky, I'm not going to end this for a while because a lot of people are saying they're supposed to be here at 7. So
I love Atomic Habits.
Yeah, we can come back on at 7 if you want.
Actually, that's a great job to you guys. This talk, I really enjoy it. Maybe if we can give everybody a chance to just kind of like give a background, not necessarily a lot about yourself, but just your trading background. Like, I'm Gazit Beam. I'm part of this group, and I've been trading for about 6 to 7 years. I trade options, crypto, and so forth. I love charting. So just a little bit of background if you guys wanted to.
Yeah. Okay. My name's Tesla. I've been trading for, say, 4 years now. Heavy in the options in the past 2 years. I traded actually way back, probably over a decade ago, off E-Trade and stuff like that, where I first learned. But I do it as a hobby. I don't do it as a financial alleviator. Like I don't trade just to make money. I trade because I actually like to trade. Yeah, other than that, I don't know what you want me to tell everybody, Gladys. Acid.
Oh, just to keep the conversation going. That's it. I'm gonna.
Oh, go ahead, Becky.
I'll be short. I am new to trading, probably a year and a half. Probably first 6 months, I did more like penny stocks. Then I got into regular stocks, started shorting, probably too fast. And then now in the last few months, I've really been focused on stocks, crypto, actually really just options in crypto, new to crypto, and joined this Discord a few months ago, partly because it just aligns with how I like to trade. So, yeah, anybody else can take the floor.
Hey, you guys are doing a great job. Definitely looking forward to the future of Twitter Spaces for trading in the money. I got a question for Shane.
What's up?
What percentage of your portfolio do you trade on the daily?
On the daily?
Yes. So anytime you go into a play, what percentage do you go into each option that you go into? So whether or not you buy one set of options or a call, or you buy 10, what percentage of your portfolio do you trade to help with your risk management?
We talked about this. About 10% now, or what was it? 5%. About 10%.
And then why is it that you only trade 5 to 10%?
I can't risk. If I risk losing it, it's gone, and I still have a whole portfolio. I didn't lose all my money, so I risk that 10% basically, no matter what. That's the risk management that I take, and I'm not trying to lose anything at all. But go ahead.
No, you're good. That's a good answer.
Yeah, I don't try to lose anything at all. But if I'm going to risk anything, it's the bare minimum, and I definitely do not trade out of the money. You have to trade in the money until you learn how to trade out of the money. Right? Oh, here we go. Pete. I'm not going to lie. Like, I used to trade, a ridiculous amount without risk management. But when you put risk management into your portfolio, it works a lot better as far as keeping your gains.
Oh, that's a great question.
Yeah, we were just talking about it.
Yeah, because we had a few members that went, they were going in on a couple plays, but they were using 50 to 75% of their portfolio on one play. So if that play goes south, you just lost, 50 to 75% of your portfolio, and you're not trading anymore for the rest of the week. So that's where me and Shane, we were discussing it, and how to, give that information to the members in our group to make sure they're trading safely and responsibly on a daily, so they can trade and have the ability to have success versus one bad trade, you're done, maybe for, a long time.
Yes, sir. And we know this from experience. This is the biggest thing is I'm not afraid to show my losses. I'm not afraid to tell everybody I've wiped my account. I've done the stupidest shit possible, but I've learned from excuse my language, I've learned from my mistakes. So this is where the experience comes in. Where I said earlier, Becky, that, everybody's going to lose. Nobody jumps into the stock market and wins every time. That doesn't happen. So, unless you have somebody, doing it for you, that's different. That's a broker. And we are our own brokers. As soon as we download this app on your mobile phone or on your computer, you are your own broker. So the risk is all on you. We were talking about that. Yeah. We definitely we need to touch base on that subject a lot harder, because I've noticed people, they will take, $800 out of their, $1,100 account and buy options with it.
Yeah, sure.
And make sure people know how to set trailing stops if they got it. I'm on the TD Ameritrade that trade today on Tesla. I was in it late. I think Bull notified it at 168 or 180 something. I didn't get in until 250, but it was up at like 3 1/4. I waited for it to come down, bought 3 at 250 and immediately set my trailing stop at 0.5. Got a phone call. When that phone call was over and I checked it, it had already hit the stop loss and I was up $600. Just immediately set it for a 0.5 stop loss or a trailing stop.
Hey, Justin, so you've been around for a while, also been watching your trades,
Mhm.
and you have gotten a whole lot better. So what have you done to help your trading strategy out? Like, what has gotten you to the level you are now? Because you have literally been killing it recently. What have you changed?
Well, for one, that 10% of your amount of money you have to use, and don't go over that. So if it does go south, you have something left over. And using the stop loss, because I'm one to watch it go up 10, 15, 20% and then hold it till it's back to zero. I was anyways, but now when it goes in the greens, have to stop. Even if you set it at even money, at least you're out for even money. That happened to me a couple of days ago, and I didn't come out ahead, but I was happy to still have even money because it kept going south. If my stop triggered.
Hey Becky, I'm gonna stay on because like I'm getting messages. People are coming on at 7, so I'm gonna
Yeah,
stay
I'll
on. You
stay
can do
on.
it
I'll,
if
I'll
you
come
want.
back at. I'll leave my phone on, and we can do this again at 7.
Yeah, okay, that works.
Let's do that. I just. I
That
mean,
was our
people can
practice
stay on,
run.
but I gotta deal with one thing in like
Go ahead,
20
go ahead, go
minutes.
ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go
But we
ahead.
can leave this on. I think people are gonna hop on at 7, and I'll let Peter know.
Yeah, no, they're definitely gonna come on.
Well, I just got home,
So,
guys. I got to run. But thanks for doing this.
Tesla, are you still there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So when you guys set a trailing stop loss, is that an actual thing you can set in your app, or do you just continually watch and then up your stop loss manually?
We up it manually usually. Like we'll set it at something specific, and then as whichever direction it's going, as it progressively goes that direction, we'll continue to up it or lower it, whatever the case may be. But you do it manually. That's something you do when you're watching the stock, basically.
Yes. Okay. That's what I figured. I did that with Tesla today when we were playing the puts on it, and I just kept upping and upping it.
Yeah. You just keep moving it up, moving it up, moving it up, moving
Okay.
it up. Yeah.
Yes. Awesome. Thanks.
And that's another way. That's actually a really smart way to lock in profits without you realizing it. So if you keep moving that, because obviously we can have reversals and stuff can happen almost instantly. That's another way for you to reassure yourself that you can lock in profits without your emotion. So when you use that trailing stop loss and you just keep moving it, it basically works for you more than you know.
Yeah, that was good stuff because like Tesla today, it bounced good off that 1020, and then it just kept going all the way up to 1070. So
Yes. So you're absolutely right. And then you just keep moving it, moving it, moving it. Some people move it at certain levels. Like they might move it at moving averages, they might move it at fib levels, they might move it at something. But that's another key indicator to move it at, just to let you know.
yeah, it's good stuff. Thanks.
We're gonna go live again at 7, so I'll be back in like 10 minutes, guys.
Sleeping Arabic. Hello, my baby.
Hey there. We're just kind of on a commercial break, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask.
I don't know how to post something that says, we'll be live again at 7, but Pete's recording it, so, and most people are supposed to be here at 7. So give me a few minutes and we can start again. Well, actually, we can start at 7 on the dot.
Hey, Becky, since you guys are wrapping it up for this first session, I can go ahead and schedule one for 7 p.m.